When I think of Professor Dark and her career, I think of her excellence as a teacher and a scholar, and most importantly, as a mentor to her students and a mentor to many others who have wanted to begin and develop excellent careers in legal education. Professor Dark has distinguished herself with her scholarship, and she is one of the most committed teachers that I have ever met in 35 years. In every encounter that we have, she's always talking about her students, where they are, where she wants them to go, and what she's trying to do for them and the challenges that they meet to make them successful. When Professor Dark and I started teaching about 35 years ago, there were very few women and very few women of color. For many of our colleagues and many of the students that we taught, it was probably a rarity to have a woman of color standing at the front of the classroom. Sometimes this was hard for some people to accept, and there would be those moments that would be difficult moments where issues of race and sexism came into the moments that we had, and they were difficult moments. Professor Dark is courageous because she was willing to take the time to remember those experiences, to think about them, to describe them, but also to offer encouragement that one can get through those, that one can learn from those experiences, and oftentimes make them into teaching moments for the communities where they happen. And I know that she did, and I know that they've made a difference for many people. She's a very dynamic woman, and anyone who meets her is drawn to her energy and the generosity and kindness. Her commitment to everything is infectious, and it's an honor to have her as a colleague and a friend. I am so thrilled and grateful that Rutgers is doing this for Professor Dark. I know it means a great deal to her, and it means a great deal to her many admirers and many of the mentees that she helped along the way, and her friends, such as myself. So I just want to congratulate her and thank Rutgers for its wisdom in making this selection.
Thank you.